Hey guys, today I will show you how to install Python. So just go to your browser and go to any search engine of your choice, either Google or Bing or whatever. And so I'm using Google and just type Python, and it will be the first search result. Or you can just go to their URL, which is python.org. It will be the same thing, and just click on this download button. And then you will see here, download the latest version for Windows. So if you're using Windows, just click here, and if you're using Linux or Mac OS, just click on your operating system. So I'm using Windows, I'll just click here, and when it's done installing, just click on it. And so I have installed it already, but for the purpose of this demonstration, I will uninstall it and we will install it together. Okay, it's done uninstalling, so just Control J on Google, so just click on it. So I'm installing Python 3.8.2 32-bit. It doesn't matter the bit, so don't worry about it. And just click add, and don't forget to click add Python 3.8 to path, because this will save you a lot of extra step that you just don't have to do. So if you click install now, it will install Python in this directory and include IDLE, PIP, and many other stuff, or you can customize it. So you can either click here, which will immediately install it, or click customize installation. I'll just show you this one too. So these features, all of them are pretty useful, so just check all of them. And next. And here you have other options like install for all users, this, and change your location, install location. I'll just save it here because Python have a relatively small size. Okay, so now it is done installing. Just close it, and to verify that you have successfully installed Python, you can just right click on the window start icon and go to Windows PowerShell and just type Python, enter, and it will display this, which is like a live coding. So whatever you type in here is Python code. I'll just type let it run print. So just type print, open bracket, and single quotation or double quotation. Python understand both of them, and just type anything you want here, hello world or anything, and just close the quotation and close the bracket, and that's all. You don't have to put any comma at the end of something, and just type enter, and Python will print whatever you place in here. So hello world and this, and it will display that, and that will verify that you have successfully installed Python. So to exit from this, just uh, click Control Z, enter, or just simply close it here. You can also verify it from command prompt by clicking window button and all. It will run this run, and just type cmd in here, enter, and it will run here, and just type Python and then print, open bracket, quotation, double quotations, one quotation, doesn't matter, and type anything in between, close it, and it will display whatever you type. So that's all for how to install Python. So for my next video, I will teach you how the basic of Python, like string, variable, condition, loop, and many more. So subscribe if you don't want to miss it, and or just go to my channel, and I will be uploading it maybe tomorrow or in the next 2 days. That's all. Bye.